Well, guys, now Tuesday mid-morning few days and Tuesday by the time guys is seeing you can tell originally cloudy this is so far yes and it's also the come before the storm this morning so far yes so the has no lady this morning so far yes so yeah. Oh, yep. I just start my heater, but yeah. So and I'll start off today by looking back on our workers 20 years with NBC, yeah, and I also got a new book oh. Go to the normal situation pretty it was months I was just over there but yes so but yes so happy Tuesday guys or happy Tuesday guys hope everyone you join the earlier latter part of the book so yeah but anyway the preparation I'll be pretty much getting able to find them all and then I'll be home for the rest of the day though but yes so every windy snow to trend pretty much but yes so but yeah and I got a text from the school saying that Tuesday is snowy yeah but yeah got that quote 7 this morning so I was still in bed though but oh well but but yeah and as you could confirm today that I could sleep in as well so I was around 60 this morning yeah so we had a good lab sleep though and pretty well we refreshed but yeah but the rest of the week I'll be pretty much staying up not till the end to get up early until the weekend though but yeah so but yeah so yeah so but so yeah so without further ado better we should be here in another few minutes oh yeah the airways pretty much in talk to just about talk to our ways so yeah so we'll talk to you guys we still get back for them all and I'll let this guys know how to them all when as well anyway so yeah we guys now in the now showing now just the more PM now yeah and as you can tell oh the story pretty much started long ago but yeah and it is sound pretty good which is this is yeah not good seen in face so yeah so but yeah yep so you can tell I make my second decaf but yeah and I put it in the mug which is pretty good oh yes but yeah put in and then so yeah cup put in a 10 ice coffee in it well Western yes so but yeah oh yeah so yes so on overall the story is going good so far oh yeah so far I am pretty much got able to for them all let's see election yeah and of course yeah so that's all good having to tomorrow in months so yeah so it's good trip over there though lately but on there I'm home ever since but yeah so this is gonna be another at home vlog oh yeah just compared to the secret out oh yeah here we go Oh yeah. Better try to not spill it though. Oh yeah. So yeah. But yeah. So man. So so the show had always started the city, yeah, and the movies now in the rest of the day and night. But yeah. So man. Oh my God. They go show the coffee. Oh yeah. Yep. Okay. Now got to oh the best I need. Oh yeah. So yeah. Yep. To be one of those times mix baseball making coffee. Oh yeah. But yeah. And now all I have to do is close the sugar and this is of course oh delete of course. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh, yeah. Spill over here too. Okay, wait on. Yeah. Okay, put the cover on before I push on the lead of course. This bit had two covers yeah. So one over here. Okay. Now put the oh lid on, yeah. Okay, and now I'm gonna left do this for the garbage oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep, I'm enjoying TV's decaf from Western, yeah. So but yeah, and then take up more can show you guys, yeah. Yeah, I finally got a new Apple Watch oh then oh yeah. So yeah. So yeah, so I don't know if I got on way not, but yeah, but oh well, but yeah. So well, yeah. This is so by the guys mean I saw talk to you guys Western reality, but yeah, and the all the place I'll have for thì shall be at home for the machine. Yeah, and I'll probably do some shelving with with my what and then though but yeah, just got to fix the app point oh yeah. Yep. Try to yep. And then I mean got to oh yeah. Put on the better way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wait having on the enable but may not, who knows. Oh yeah. The deluxe tip of the blog me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Alright. Still be loose, but yes. But what I'll do is just I just be put it to the wheel in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But yeah. Yep, this is just the process in the oh give my mic oh pretty much oh pretty much sailed on. Oh yeah. I gotta put the code in. Alright. Seems yeah, I'm pretty good now. So yeah. So like I was saying, I'll probably talk to you guys later today about, but yeah. All you guys need now lead on in the day now is only now 4:30 p.m. now. Yeah. As you can tell, it is still snow, but it is starting to slow down there a little bit though. But yeah. So yeah, but yeah. So yeah, and the drive is still pretty snow covered though. But yeah, so but it looks like me and my brother be going out shoveling oh really next hour. So but yeah, so will be fun due to the shoveling don't the height of the storm or whatever. But yeah, so man, but yeah. Because around the snow on the ground and it's also falling doesn't mean as we the shoveling table probably have to do more tomorrow depending on how much most of it have to be shoveled. So but yeah, so but yeah. So overall these are going good though. Nonetheless though, yep. I mean we actually university after this. Oh yeah. So happy to we put this. So yeah. So yeah. Yeah. But yeah. But already oh I said about whether I'll be going to a school coming up and yeah and it will all depend on if we if we get drive at well 12 on. But yeah, so but yeah. So yeah, but hopefully we will depend on how much good job we it's we don't I say with Southern though. But yeah, so yeah, because we actually don't have any cloud talk which is unfortunate because it spoke down most of the other day though. So yeah, so yeah, it's so goody. But it wouldn't be if you had a power hip hop. So yeah, but oh well. So yeah, but we will be something as much as we can cut the rest of the night though. Oh yeah, but yeah. Or the evening at least, but yeah. But anyway, yeah. Yeah, so just got my decaf kick up, but yeah. So we'll talk to you guys Leonte Eva and I'll update you guys on how good job we did so yeah, and hopefully we'll be able to get out driving in more western snow desktop and if it's in and also they'll probably have to shovel again, but uh in Moldova. So man, so 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 it will be fun basically the this that's just sarcasm s- s- popping out how with the self though so but yeah because nighttime Western yeah and as it, so it is still snowing out the door but yeah so oh yeah and but you told me and did get some something done oh yeah and I think we done a pretty good job and we got the very clear oh for the model and hopefully we both had something in more 12 one but yeah but looks like we done a good job not least oh yes but yeah so but yeah but yeah but, so we can keep on popping into the here though but yeah so anyway so yeah about just 12 late now you when basically nói còn mình bắt television turn on for night though basically oh yeah but on that it was good basically dito not not just really to we both though yes because we back to school to yes so will be a very short week this week with the snowy though yeah but it will be a fun week non little yes so so I just hope everyone does enjoy the rest of the work week though yeah and we'll talk to you guys early tomorrow morning hopefully so okay I won't finish here and to you guys got to see my new oh wristband for the watch yeah but yeah this is all metallic which is pretty cool yeah so yeah so well yeah yes so I've been messing around with that oh try to get the oh after try to get oh on the when I go Monrovia because when I put it on first it was I had it on oh it was twice so yeah then because it just kept on fall down to my to the to when my handies oh yeah but yep toward the afternoon of now but yes so yeah but then I figured out that that I had to re-raise the wristband part of it or turn around or level to or to actually or go on my arm or the way to be so yeah yes so so at least I got that done finally but yeah and at least it will fall off my arm to much at least it return my arm as well though so yes so yeah so yeah and that will be my permanent oh watch band for now because last time about the watch band was back in 331 or 32 pretty sure it was, but yeah. And I'm reading about them over the job place and Best Buy before, yeah. So man, so yeah, but yeah, and of course two other newsworthy things that I should mention both here in Newfoundland and for the US that first in Newfoundland is that three was VOCM open line hosts oh pay daily it was his last day on VOCM open line yes so we now officially we done with VOCM. Oh yeah, he was on there for I think it was probably around 2 decades. She started back in oh now when he hosted Nightline oh yeah back when VOCM was playing country music. Oh yeah, but yeah, yep, but yeah, but yeah, and but I'm hoping jokingly that they'll be back when it seems and or what's the name Pete Susie, but yeah, because they were decent hosts on offline though, but yeah, but hopefully they'll find someone new to host it by 12 on it or also go on highly so it will end article article but hopefully not, but yeah, so yep, so yeah, so best wishes to pay daily on his future after leaving open line, but yeah, because I always still remember is when Payday was on oh at the Fox back in the 2000s. Oh yeah, it's like good baby watching that over the years though, but yeah, so back when we had watched cable but yeah, so man, but yeah, oh yeah, and of course yeah, but that's all the new plan news, but people in the US you guys got a preview of that oh at the beginning of the vlog, but today or Tuesday since I'm releasing this on Thursday was MC weather anchor and oh host and oh and T host Al Walker. Well the T was well Tuesday was his 30th year with the NBC, but yeah, so yeah, so yeah, so they had a pretty good news oh story oh about that about the DT media on the local Boston T news channel and the national news program story today but yeah, and also had a tribute to him on the T show this morning oh yeah, but before I left for the mall I got to see Howard Stern pay tribute to him, but yeah, so that was cool, yeah, and also including the in the news story on today was his acting really decent voice acting and he made cameos in movies but yeah, because when I was growing up I watched the Madagascar movies and of course Mocha was in I think it was the first two Madagascar movies which is pretty cool but yeah yeah so congrats to Al Mocha for 20 years with the NBC but yeah. Yep, and here's to know today about yeah, and also my best wishes from from this the East Coast can yep here in sunny Newfoundland. But yes, so oh yeah, boy. So yes, so yeah. But on that that's all the oh entertainment news media news I got covered though. But yes, so yeah, and I've been talking for over 10 minutes now. Just been 11 minutes now. So I'll up here with some stop talk now, and I'll hit that bit. And I'll talk to you guys early tomorrow morning. So over and out.